Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I went from this to this, watch to the end. This is a simple beginner friendly makeup video which you don't want to miss out on, so watch to the end. Let's get straight into this video. Firstly, you have to make sure you have a clean face before the makeup, which I already did before starting this video. I went straight into drawing my brows first because that is what I think takes much of my time. So all I did was use my brow pencil and this brush or a spoolie to brush out my brows before outlining it and filling it up. So for this video, I spent more time on my brows because I want to give you guys a detailed, beginner friendly video. After outlining and filling in my brows, I went in with a concealer for the lower part and a foundation for the upper part just to bring out the shape and make it pop. Later on, I also went in with a flatter brush just to clean out the edges and make it look more better. So guys, we're almost done with our brows. I went in with my brush to brush it upward and forward, and then once we're done with that, we are done with our brows. The next step is our primer. So we're going to be applying a primer on our face. This primer is like a glitterish shimmer primer because once you apply it, you see the shimmer, like it shines on your face or it glitters on your face. So apply it and let it dry before going in with your foundation. Once your face is completely dry, the next step is to apply a foundation. For me, I apply lesser foundation because I don't want too much of it on my face. So you can apply it to your preference. I went ahead to blend it in with a wet beauty blender or sponge. I emphasize on this wet. Make sure it's wet because it's going to make your makeup, your foundation blend well into your skin. Next thing to do is to go in with your concealer. So I went in with the concealer and also made use of the same beauty blender that I used to apply my foundation to blend it all in. So once you're done with that, the next thing to do is to contour. So I contoured my nose, my cheekbone area, my forehead. The next thing we're going to do is to apply our setting powder. So I set the part I applied concealer on. Once you've applied your setting powder, allow it to sit for a while. Then I went in with my blush. The blush I'm making is of it's not really a blush actually. It's one of my shadow palettes, so I just made use of the pinkish color that is there. Because why not? You can just improvise like I did. If you don't have eye primer, you can make use of a concealer. I used the concealer as my primer, then went ahead to apply a non-obvious color on my eyes because I don't want something flashy. I don't really want anything there, but yeah, for the purpose of this video, I'm just applying something that isn't that obvious, that blends with the makeup. Now that we're done with that, the next thing is to focus on our nose contour. The trick here is for you to just blend in to make it thinner or push it forward to make it thinner to your own preference, whatever you think is okay for you, and then that's it. So the next thing I did was to go in with my mascara on my natural lashes. If you want to make use of false lashes, you can. Next thing is to apply your eyeliner. So I just applied my eyeliner at the outer corner of my eyelid and the inner corner. Once you're done with that, you apply setting powder on the lower part of your cheek to bring out more dimension, I guess. Then dust off the excess. So I went in with a powder to dust off and blend it all in. So dust it all off and blend it all in. So for the lips, I went in with the same pencil I used to draw my brows to outline my lips, and then I made use of a nude lipstick. I'm going to upload a more detailed tutorial for the lips. So guys, you can apply a transparent lip gloss if you don't want it matte. So guys, the last thing to do is to go in with your setting spray. Make sure you don't spray too close to your face, but farther away from your face. Then let it dry and then we are done. If you love videos like this, kindly like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more, and also turn on your post notification bell so you can know when next I upload. Bye and see you in my next video.